Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another plan with me for you for the week of March 30th through April 5th. For this week I did pull in the Happy Birthday mini kit from Wild Summer Designs. I also pulled in a ton of silver foil from Scribble Prints Co., Bodacious Prints, and Caress Press. And I believe by the time you guys see this video, Caress Press should be open again. So I will of course link her shop down below as per usual. So for the glitter headers this week I actually didn't purchase the glitter headers that came or were an option with this kit. Instead, I pulled in some actual silver glitter headers from Blanket Planner. Then I also pulled in some of the matte white with silver wiggle from Scribble Prints Co. That's the line bow that you see there. And also another set of glitter headers from Scribble Prints Co., which are not real glitter headers but look like glitter texture headers. Anyway, I also used some bougie boxes from Scribble Prints Co., and as per usual, I am alternating my, header styles this week because it's not really header colors just by itself. And then I did also alternate my full boxes. And I did want to mention, I know I did use this kit last year, so if you are interested in checking out that video, I will have that link down below as well if you're interested in seeing how I did this last year. I believe last year when I used this kit I had the full version of the kit, so it wasn't, or I guess I should say it had a lot more stickers to it just in general, but I loved it so much to use for Maisie's birthday that I wanted to use it again this year, so last year I bought an extra one. And Maisie did turn 9 this week. If you are new to my channel, Maisie is my Shih Tzu. She's absolutely adorable. I do have pictures of her in my planner Instagram in the saved stories section of my Instagram, so I will also link my Instagram down below if you are interested in checking that out. It's been quite a while since I've actually updated my planner Instagram, but I'm trying to get back into it. I'm just struggling to find motivation these days, which I'm sure a lot of people can relate to with everything that's happening and having to stay at home and all those different kinds of things. So yeah, for the bottom washi this week, I didn't white out all of the lines, but I did white out some of them just so that you wouldn't be able to see all of it through the washi. And then I did also pull in these glitter header overlays from Caress Press as well. Oh, I think I also forgot to mention the overlays for the washi strips are also from Caress Press. Pretty much anything you see that has bows on it, whether it's an overlay or not, that will be from Caress Press, with the exception of the March script, which is from Rose Colored Days. All of the sprinkle overlays are from Bodacious Prints, and then I think I pull in a weekend banner from Bodacious Prints as well, but maybe just not quite yet. At this point I moved into my sidebar. The first habit tracker is from Caress Press, and the other two came with the kit. Then I also pulled in 3 silver foil scripts. Those are from Sticky Sloth Designs. I used my typical this week header and a weekly ombre to track my steps, and then a to-do header along with a 6 heart checklist that came with the kit. Then I moved into my water trackers. I guess I sort of forgot that I needed to put those down. Those are from ILNP Paper Co. And then here's where I put down the weekend banner from Bodacious Prints. I think it's super cute with that font, so I really enjoyed that. Moving into the day by day, the first thing I marked on Monday was that it was trash day with a sticker from Willow Wallow Co. Then I marked working from home with a laptop girl sticker from Banana Doodle Shop and a script from Kinsey's Creations. Then I marked that I needed to do some laundry. The laundry icon is from Magic Prints Co. And then I wanted to mark that I baked some chocolate chip cookies. The mixer sticker is from the Planner Junkie, who is no longer open. And then I also pulled in this gel pen to use this week because I thought it went really well with this spread, just aesthetically. And that is from Shop Villa Beautiful, which I will also have linked down below. Then I painted my nails. The script is from Kinsey's Creations and the nail polish bottle is from Magic Prints Co. Afterwards I wanted to play some Animal Crossing, and I pulled in a Switch sticker from Fox and Cactus to mark that. And then to finish off my evening, I just cooked a really good dinner and the icon is from Scribble Prints Co. On Tuesday morning, my January 2020 highlights video went live. That foam clapper sticker is from Mandy Dreams. Then I wanted to mark that I was having some trouble with some vertigo, and that dizzy, steamy sticker is from Wonton in a Million. Then I marked working from home. Again, the girl sticker is from Banana Doodle Shop, and the script is from Kinsey's Creations. In the afternoon, I ended up doing an e-visit with my doctor's office because I was having a lot of really bad ear pain and it was disrupting my sleep. And the stethoscope icon is from Scribble Prints Co. After that e-visit, I was diagnosed with an ear infection, which is great timing. This is totally the time that I want to be dealing with, having a medical issue that's not COVID-19, let me tell you. So I used a 6 Steamy from Wonton in a Million to mark that. Then I used a pill bottle sticker from Planner Kate to mark that I needed to pick up my antibiotics. And then to finish off my evening, I played some Animal Crossing. Again, the Switch sticker is from Fox and Cactus. On Wednesday, it was payday, so I used an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. and a payday script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark that. Then I ended up getting a migraine, and the Dizzy Unicorn sticker is from Frank Hearts You. I'm fairly certain that it was related to my ear infection. I just woke up feeling really, really sick that morning. So I ended up only working a half day from home, and I marked that mostly the same way that I had on Monday and Tuesday, except that I wrote that it was a half day. So basically, that day I was throwing up uncontrollably. The work that I had done from home that morning, I pretty much did from my bathroom, because between the migraine and the antibiotics being really hard on my stomach, I just was feeling really, really sick. So I used a vomiting emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. to mark that. Then I took a nap, and that Nap Queen sticker is from Banana Doodle Shop. And then on my husband's way home, he picked up some Panda Express for me, and it was delicious, so I wanted to use a panda in a takeout box from Frank Hearts You to mark that. On Thursday morning, my February 2020 highlights went live. Again, that foam clapper sticker is from Mandy Dreams. Then I worked from home, and I marked that the same way I had on Monday and Tuesday. After I finished my day from home, I used a flag sticker along with a paw print from Whimsical Plans, and a Walk the Dog script from Kinsey's Creations to mark taking my pups for a walk. After we came back in, I played some more Animal Crossing. I have been absolutely obsessed lately, and I'm really, really enjoying it. And then to finish off my evening, I worked on some filming. I think I was working on Plan With Me or something, or maybe my March highlights? Something like that. The camera sticker is from Whimsical Plans, as is the TV sticker below it. The film script is from Kinsey's Creations, and then I finished off my evening by watching some March Comes In Like a Lion, which is an anime that I've been really enjoying lately. On Friday, it was Maisie's 9th birthday. I used a Shih Tzu sticker from Planning Made Easy to mark that. Then I wanted to mark working from home. Again, I used the same stickers that I had for the rest of the week for that. And then I also wanted to mark paying some bills, and I didn't have a pay bill sticker, but I had a bill due sticker, so I used that from Scribble Prints Co., along with a grumpy money emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. In the afternoon, I walked my dogs again. I marked that with another paw print from Whimsical Plans and Kinsey's Creations script. Then we had O Sushi Delivered, which is our local sushi place that we absolutely love. The sushi sticker is from Magic Prints Co. And then pretty much just spent the rest of the evening hanging out with my husband and watching some TV, and that emoji couple sticker is from the Coffee Monsters Co. Saturday was a pretty chill day. I woke up and snuggled my pups. Again, the paw print sticker is from Whimsical Plans, and the script is from Kinsey's Creations. Then I wanted to mark that I had had a little bit of a headache, and I used a grimacing sticker from Wonton in a Million and a Kinsey's Creations script to mark that. Afterwards, I ended up taking a nap, and I used another unicorn from Frank Hearts You and another Kinsey's Creations script for that. After I woke up from my nap, I watched The Report with my husband on Amazon Prime, I believe. It's, I think, one of Adam Driver's newer movies, and I really enjoyed it and felt like I learned something, so definitely recommend checking it out if you are interested in a movie that's based on actual history. On Sunday morning, I first marked a YouTube binge. I used an icon that came with the kit and a YouTube binge script that is from Wild Summer Designs. Then I snuggled my pups again, marked that the same way that I had on Saturday. Afterwards, I decided to shave because it's been a while and I don't know, I really wanted to mark that in my planner with the shaving emoji because I don't use them very often and I just thought it would be fun. Then my husband and I went to go get some groceries. That sticker is from Willa Wallow Co. And then I worked on some meal prepping after we got home. The meal prep emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then in the evening I played some more Animal Crossing. Again, the Switch sticker is from Fox and Cactus. Then I painted my nails again, and the nail polish sticker is from Magic Prince Co. The paint nail script is from Kinsey's Creations. And then I finished off my evening by baking some banana chocolate chip muffins. I really enjoy the recipe that I found. I did find it online, so if you guys are interested, I will have that linked down below where I found it. So here is the finished spread and a little Viv wiggle to show off all the silver foil. I really love how this week turned out. I think it is super cute. And here's everything that I have left in the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!